Hello, Mrs. Beth here with your instructions for today. Today, after you report your attendance, you are going to work on your warm-up. This is your activity for the warm-up. You're familiar with this type of activity. In this opportunity, you're going to use a mí también or a mí tampoco to agree with these statements that you see here. You take the screenshot, including the score, and then submit it right here in the space provided. For your activities today, you're going to complete this form that has actividades 7, 9, 10, 13, y 17. There are several activities in that form, and once you finish that one, you have these two activities that are audio activities in another form. So those two forms, you're gonna work on this class and then the next class. So this video instructions in this class plan is going to be posted today and next class. Let's click this. This is your activity. The first one is similar to the one that you're doing for the warm-up. So you're going to do the agreement using the agreement expressions, a mí también and a mí tampoco. And then once you finish that one, you go to your next activity. You have a picture. You find out how you say that activity. And then you select if the ending is AR, ER, or IR. So you select according to the picture. The next activity is similar to this one, but it's listening. This time you don't have pictures, but you are going to listen to the activities, and then you're going to select if the words that you hear end in AR, ER, or IR. For this one, if you cannot play the video because it's not working, because it's not authorized or whatever, they say, I actually posted the videos for the audios and the listening activities that you need here. So you had activity 10 and 13 that you need audio, so I put the listening here. You can play it from there. And then you answer your questions right here. Activity 13, that's the other listening activity. You're going to hear what the guy is saying, and then you're going to type it right here. You're going to type it only the activity. You don't have to put me gusta or no me gusta or anything like that, just the activity. You're going to use lowercase, no periods, and no extra spaces. You type your 7 activities, and the last activity is ¿qué te gusta más? What do you like better? So I'm giving you 2 choices, and you're going to type what you like better. Now, remember to start the sentence with a capital letter and to end with a period. So that's all for these activities that you have here. For the audio activities, you have 2 audio activities. And what you're going to do in this one, you're going to listen to this person talking, and you're going to listen what the people that she's interviewing are saying. So for the first person, he's going to say something like she's going to ask what he likes to do, what he doesn't like to do. So you're going to pay attention to what he's saying, and you're going to write here what he likes, and then you're going to have here what he doesn't like. And you have one activity that he likes and one that he doesn't like. You have to pay attention because there is one of them who has 2 activities that she likes and 2 activities that she does not like. So in that case, you have to type both activities. You can type them. Remember to type everything in lowercase. You're just answering the questions. You're not writing statements or anything like that. And for this one, you had this listening, these pictures to help you with the activity. You look at the pictures, then you listen. They are going to say each one of these. They're going to give you a list of 10 tips. It's right here in the prompt. Top 10 tips for being happy during the school year. And then they're going to say, what is number 10? So they're going to say, which one is number 10? And you find what number 10 is in the letter. So for number 10, what is the letter? You look in the drop box and you select according to the picture. So you're going to do that for this, and that's all. You had those two big activities to review and to apply what you have been learning in this chapter. And if you finish in one class, then the other class you won't have to do it. But you have to complete those two. All right? Just let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in class. Adios.